Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and you are welcome to this lecture. We make big plans, we set exciting goals, and we look forward to completing them. But then, we just can't complete even one. We move from one uncompleted task to another, and this situation is even worse during this COVID-19 lockdown time. All day are like Saturday and Sundays, and it seems we have more than 24 hours. I can see that this lecture has come at the right time. We need to learn how to use our time during this period to our advantage. Managing your time effectively is a key skill that makes your personal and academic life less stressful and meaningful as LIS students in a time like this. Thanks to forward-thinking N-LISSA executive for organizing a lecture on time management, and they have also carefully selected dynamic speakers beyond the shore of Nigeria. Before we invite our facilitators, let me briefly discuss 3 tips on how to effectively manage your time during this COVID-19 lockdown. Number 1, set a schedule. Try and maintain semblance of structure from the pre-lockdown days. It means that you need to wake up and go to bed around the same time. Eat your meals, shower. Remember to shower. Some people now at this period, I don't think they shower again. Have reading or study time, and also remember to do exercise, and also dress very well, even as you normally do before the lockdown. You can also make use of a calendar to keep track of your daily activities. Your calendar should include days and time. Make an attempt to stick to your daily schedule by setting an alarm so you do not spend more than the allocated time for each activities. This way you'll be able to stay on track. And we have a lot of free time management software, as free calendar like a Google Calendar and others, where you can use to set your time. I believe that the speakers, the facilitator, will speak more on this later. Number 2, avoid too much multitasking. It's good to multitask, but try to do it less. Try not to perform more than one task or activities at a time. Many people think they can do multiple things at once, but there are downsides to this. When you multitask assignments, it takes longer time to get it done, because each time you come back to an assignment, you have to get familiar with it, find your spot, and remember what you are going to do next. So you are likely more to make mistakes and remember less, because switching between tasks tires out the brain, and you are less able to commit what you are learning to long-term memory. As a result, as much as possible, do one task at a time. Complete it before you go to the another. Number 3, at this period, learn new skills. The lockdown has led to a lot of free time for many of us, and I know you are one of them. You have more time. With this newfound time, why not use this free time to learn new skills? For example, you can invest your free time in improving your skills, writing skills, editing skills. For example, my own case, this period, I was able to to perfect my editing skill, video editing skills. I use this period to edit more videos, to shoot videos, and so on. And we have many. We can also learn new ones apart from improving your skills. The one you have, you can also learn new skills at this period. And we have many online course platforms that you can go into, and they are free, like Udemy, like Udacity. We have Coursera. I know you know some of this. You can learn a skill, and we can see that all these they offer varieties of courses that you can choose from, and some of these courses are affiliated to universities. Therefore, this might be certified courses that you can include in your CV. So explore them. Use your time very well. Explore them. In conclusion, remember that this COVID 19 lockdown period is temporary, and we believe that things will get back to normal. But when it will get back to normal, nobody knows. Therefore, I will advise you to take a deep breath, do your best, get some rest, wash your hands regularly, and only go out if it is absolutely necessary. And I will advise you to, if you go out, use your face mask or face shield and keep social distance. I wish you happy moments as you learn from experts. Thank you very much.